Welcome to our home.
Today, we're going to be bringing you guys along with us as we watch the Festival of Fantasy.
So thank you guys for joining us today. We want to make sure you guys understand something. When you go to watch the parade, one of the things that helps is to wear sunglasses, especially in the middle of summer. When we videoed this, do what?
So sunny.
When we videoed this in the middle of summer, Tammy was out there actually videoing. She came in. I thought she was going to pass smooth that. I was inside the trading post, and I was trading with folks, and she was actually watching the parade. And I didn't watch the whole thing, but we wanted to provide a couple pairs of sunglasses, and since the Lion King is coming out, we've got a couple pair of Lion King sunglasses. So we're going to do a giveaway for you guys for these Lion King sunglasses during this video. And so if you guys will stick around to the end, we'll announce how you're going to be able to win these, but that'll be towards the end of the video. Until then, we hope you guys enjoy the commentary and enjoy the Festival of Fantasy Parade. I remember you were taking tons of pictures doing this.
There's a lot of areas where you can take a bunch of photos at.
He only knows that because I showed him all when we were reading lunch.
That's true.
He was inside pinprick.
This is my favorite, my absolute favorite parade. It's something I can watch every time we go.
I don't know.
But I mean,
Personally, I like the Paint the Night parade a lot.
I like the Disneyland parades. Those are really good.
Yeah.
I think that's like the Paint the Night or like the electrical parade. I forgot what it's called.
I think this is a great way for a young kid to be able to see all the princes and princesses and characters and feel like they've really experienced Disney World really well.
Yeah, I feel like this is a must-do if you're gonna go for one day.
Yeah, I mean, if it's your vacation, you certainly should do this unless you've been there a ton of times, because you're never going to see all those same people going throughout the park trying to do meet and greet.
Yeah.
So watch the parade, figure out who the main characters your kid wants to meet is, or who you feel like you want your kid to meet, what photo opportunities, and then go to those. But this way, they get a little bit of time. Like if I remember, one of these stops and talks to Allison.
Yeah, I took a picture of that.
Yeah.
Which one was this guy?
No.
I think it's later
It
on.
was a girl, but you heard like a little tiny like. It sounded like a yeah.
But
it was her talking to me.
I know a lot of times they'll stop and give your kid just a second of attention.
They've got a lot of good remixes of songs. Along with the theme song itself, it's really great.
And they wave at you a lot, and sometimes characters will come over and talk to you. And it's just really fun. I like this parade a lot. I remember these little things coming over my head. They're so big.
That's one of my favorite floats right there with Flynn Rider and
My favorite.
Rapunzel.
My favorite one right here. My favorite one is right here, and it's where Ariel's sitting in the thing.
Because you like Ariel?
Well, it's either that one or the spot where Pluto's sitting. He's my favorite character if you didn't know.
I mean, I do like the dragon. Blows the fire.
the
That's probably my favorite.
The dragon that blew the fire, I was taking pictures the whole time, and I got a really cool picture of it because it did it a lot. It'll come up in a second and you'll see.
Now this was on the 3rd of July.
Yeah.
So, you'll notice the crowd isn't actually that bad on the 3rd.
Yeah, and the 4th it isn't too bad either.
Wow.
The 4th it was a monster.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't.
Especially towards the end of the night.
Yeah, after about 7 o'clock, oh my goodness.
They have disco parties on July 4th when we were here, and that street, and it was just hundreds of people there. There was a lot.
I think these dancers do such a good job, especially in the heat.
Yeah.
I'm
And
always just so
sometimes
impressed with how they just keep their energy up with it being so hot and being in those costumes and
True that.
Yeah, and they put off
Sometimes-
such a friendly persona. You know they've got to be hot and exhausted and tired of doing it.
Yeah.
I know people think that these guys only have to do this one parade, but they've got a lot of other duties at
In fact,
Disney World.
on July 3rd and on July 4th, they did the same parade twice. I don't know if it was the same cast members, but
I bet it was.
maybe.
This one's a cool one. They shoot out stuff. Shoot out smoke. I remember doing it, and it scared me.
This is another one of my favorite flow.
yeah, I like Tink at the end.
She goes on like waving her wand like this.
Yeah, she waves her wand and she is always like getting on to the sky.
Swinging.
Yeah, swinging at
And
the back.
she's also so friendly, and she's so excited to be there.
Tink doesn't have to worry about having to get hot.
Sure.
Just sunburn.
Yeah.
Cause she's got like her whole shoulders are free.
I don't remember what float this is off the top of my
It's
head.
Merida.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, I remember the bears popped up in little pots
That's right.
and like the little cannons.
For those of you who don't know who watch our channel, if I had to pick a favorite princess, it's Merida.
One of your favorites isn't it Anna?
No. Merida.
Well, one of them.
I like Anna. I like most of the princesses, but
I like this float, but not necessarily more than any of the others, really.
I mean, she's my favorite princess, but I don't like the float that much.
Yeah.
Do you,
Yeah,
Kendra?
the float's kind of weird.
Yeah, like I would say, I think the
I don't
Tangle
even know
one's
what
one of my
it is.
favorites as well, but that one's like very, it's got some cool stuff in it, like the
Which one?
the Tangled one.
Oh, yeah.
Where the after they're flying everywhere.
And the one, and there's gonna be one coming up and it has bubbles.
Coming up is your mom's fave, isn't it?
No, this is my favorite.
Since
The
Wait.
Maleficent's Dragon.
I'm talking about after that.
Oh, I like these
Cinderella.
guys on the stilts. They're cool. And there's Maleficent.
and there's the dragon.
Yeah. Now I thought it was a fun fact on July 4th, this is July 3rd, but on July 4th they would not let the dragon breathe fire.
I think it was
I
too
just
hot
think
that
that's kind of
day.
funny.
How come?
It may have broke or something, who knows?
I just think they didn't let it happen. I think they didn't let it happen because it was July 4th and they didn't want it to, like, one time caught on fire, so
Yeah.
I think they were trying to prevent that on
It
a
was
busy
hot.
day.
If none of y'all
Oh, on a
know,
busy day.
Yeah, that's what I think happened. I just think it's funny if that's the case.
I think maybe it was broke or something.
if none of y'all know, the dragon has caught on fire before, like Cole's saying. And I think Cole's right. I just think they are preventing it from catching on fire with a whole bunch of people there. And I think it was also like too hot for it to do it.
I thought it was.
Yeah, that was the I think that was the picture I took right there.
I thought that's one of the coolest things. I think they upgraded it because last time we went, when the dragon was there, which I think was Christmas of 2017, it was.
I just want you
It
to
only
look.
breathed fire.
Even the dragon's handler is wearing sunglasses. It's so bright out there.
That's true.
You can see the person who's controlling it.
Look, that one's wearing sunglasses too, isn't he?
No,
Oh.
it's just the beak thing. Now over here I realized that one of the dwarves talked to Alice. I thought that was such a rare occurrence. See, it's right there.
Well, Snow White's with them though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it's just so weird that Alice would be talking to one of the dwarves.
I think it's kind of interesting the fact that all the characters are interacting as well. It's kind of a funny thing. See Grumpy meet up with Alice or Jiminy Cricket. That's kind of funny.
Meet up with like Mad Hatter or something.
Yeah.
This is the part that has a bubble. It's Pinocchio.
Well, it's all sorts of characters.
Well, yeah, but right here it has Pinocchio.
Yeah.
He's like the top. Nope, this seems like it's... Nope, you're right.
Yeah, I think this float's better than Meredith.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mean, it's themed. I mean, I don't understand Meredith's theming on her float.
It's
I get the arrows.
There's Dumbo.
And I get the whole bagpipe, but
It just looks weird.
There's
yeah,
Dumbo.
it looks pretty weird.
There's Dumbo, and I also think it's either Ariel's float or this float. Or the one with Mickey and Minnie. I have a lot of ones I like. But I like this one specifically because it has a bunch of the characters on it and stuff.
Yeah.
And my favorite characters on here, right there, is Pluto.
Oh, I thought you meant Pegasus.
No. My favorite's Pluto. I love Pluto so much. But Ariel's my second favorite, so I don't know which floats are better. All the floats
Look,
are
they
pretty
made
good.
Chip and Dale walk.
And Goofy. He's up walking around.
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, yeah.
See, there he is. I think
I
he just
remember-
gave Alice a high five.
No, he didn't give me a high five. He just came really close to me. Here's Mickey and Minnie with the little hot air balloon.
And at first I didn't.
Now, is that the same? No, never mind. It's not.
At first
They're holding down flippers.
I didn't really like this float at first, the first time I saw it, but after a while it kind of grew on me.
It reminds me of those pins up there on the wall. The hot air balloon pins. It's
Oh, yeah.
designed almost exactly like it.
Oh, it kind of is. I wonder if they took inspiration.
I don't know where it's
I bet they did.
Wouldn't surprise me.
They probably designed the pin after the float,
That-
not the other way around.
Yeah.
That would just be weird. Okay, so how'd y'all like the parade? Comment down below what you thought. And if you like this parade, what's your favorite float? Comment down below that too.
That's right. And what we're going to do on these sunglasses is we'll give these out and send them to you. But what you have to do is either you have to be a subscriber already or you need to subscribe. And so if we pick up subscribers off of this, those people will be entered into a drawing for one pair of sunglasses. And then those who are already subscribers, if you comment
The
down
new
below,
subscribers.
no, this is for the new subscribers. If new subscribers, will draw from any new subscribers off of this video. And then any previous subscribers that watch and comment down below, like Allison asked, we will draw your name and draw from those names of comments, and they'll get this pair. Is everybody good with that?
Yeah.
All right. So hopefully that was clearer than mud.
And they're gonna be Lion King ones because the new Lion King movie's coming out.
That's right. And so if you're wondering, we picked these up from Hot Topic. We don't
Not
live near Disney.
sponsored.
We don't live near Disney, so we picked these up from Hot Topic. I think you have a pair, and Allie has a pair. So
And then we both got Little Mermaid ones, but we didn't have enough to do a giveaway, so there's only two, and we wanted to be matchers.
so you guys lost out on that deal. So do that. Comment down below. What are they commenting again? Say it again.
Comment down below their favorite parade float.
Their favorite parade float.
Parade float.
They're commenting down below their favorite parade float.
I almost said their favorite.
And like you said, we
float.
got these from Hot Topic and we're not sponsors.
We've said all that. All right. So if you like the video, like and subscribe to see more videos like it. And until next time, from our house to yours.